Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Thursday, December 12th, 2024. I'm going to start with the big picture. Before I do so, though, I just want to mention that on Wednesday, WickedStocks.com put out two stock picks, one on American Airlines, the other on Broadcom. One is actually in the midst of a very recent buy signal, still actionable, and the other is on the precipice of a meaningful buy signal. We provide all the conditions, the support, resistance, the target levels necessary in those videos. You can check them out for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial, where you will also see daily triple Q and SPY analysis, weekly Apple analysis, etc. So check out wickedstocks.com. 2 to 3 month outlook. This is, the numbers are pretty much the same. We've got, where are you? This is your resistance long term. We're not going to see that anytime soon, but we might by the end of January. I'll provide those conditions in a moment. And downside, we've got solid support in the low to mid 120s. And this area in reach possibly by the end of December if we close the week Friday below 137.15, which is the low of the high. It's been frustrating. We've had some head fakes to the downside. Go short, get out. Now what? And that's kind of where we're at right now. So it is kind of a Friday settlement tomorrow below 137.15. Now this is a 4-star level for the week, but for the day I've got it reduced. And I'm going to actually jump to, the kind of the day right now. You can see 137.15 over here is just a session containment level. And I have it here highlighted as just a kind of a red line. Once again, that is the low of the high. When we put the all-time high out 3 weeks ago or so, the low of that week was 137.15. And so if we were to close below that low on Friday, that has sell signal qualities. But until then, this market is just sort of in this two-sided, directionless, where are we going from here sort of framework. And what I am leaning on more heavily now than I was a week ago is a descending channel top at 142.19. We had pegged this as just an intraday resistance level when we were testing it about a week ago, but I do see it as a level that, if settled above, should yield 154.27 within a week or two. And yes, if we close above 142.19, I do see these rising channel tops. Where are they? Here. In the low to mid 160s. Now I've got 137.15 here because this is the level for, if we close the week below it. But if we do close, once again, above 142.19, that mid to upper 160s, right about here in the chart, 2 to 3 weeks, 3 to 5 at the most would be expected. Until then, we could top out here into next week and fall away. In terms of, the sell signal, though, you can play the short side at 142.19. I have no problem with that. But I think what you also then want to see is a settlement tomorrow below 137.15, which would then set off, follow through selling, presumably, into the low to mid 120s, where profits can be taken and long entry made through January, even into later Q1. In terms of the upside, though, if we do close above 142.19, it is the rising channel resistance on the daily chart, low to mid 160s. This could be within 3 to 5 weeks. And, over the next couple of months, perhaps, say, by the middle of February, 175.74 is a big long-term resistance area. And I think that area is realistically in reach if we close today, for instance, above 142.19. At the very least, I would expect with a settlement above 142.19, the 162.33 to 166.13 region. So that is an actionable buy signal if settled above 142.19. I see no good reason to be short, stay short NVIDIA if your time horizon is anywhere from 3 to 5 days out to 3 to 5 weeks. Until then, you can short 142.19. Day traders. Back to 137.15. Day traders can buy 137.15. I would prefer to buy a short position back rather than go long outright, but I don't have a problem as a day trade to buy 137.15. I don't know about through the rest of the week. I think 142.19 is your pivot point as we move into January, below which we can continue south, confirmed with the settlement tomorrow below 137.15, then expecting once again, that's low to mid 120s. 137.15. We've got 131.80. I don't expect to see 131.80 today, but if we do break 137.15, it is attainable. 129.13 is a 3/8 downside Fibonacci. That would be kind of a 2 to 3 day target if we close tomorrow, Friday, below 137.15. So we are hanging our hat at 142.19. That is our pivot point through December, below which we can ease back into the low to mid 120s over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and above which we should push onward and upward into the low to mid 160s and climbing over the following 3 to 5 weeks. I think it's about as simple as that. Please click like, share, subscribe, check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of that 5-day free trial. You can check out today's, that is Wednesday's, American Airlines and Broadcom analysis, last week's Okta and Roku, etc., etc., etc. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's NVIDIA. You have a great day.